Hey guys, in today's video we're in Lost Maples State Park. We hike the trail that leads down to Monkey Rock. We start the trail right here. We head up and go on the Maple Trail, merge back on the East Trail, then Monkey Rock is right here. After that we go right back to where we started. It took us about an hour, and that's with a couple of whining kids there towards the end slowing us down, so it wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching. Hey Beckett, can you tell them to like and subscribe? Can you?
Like and subscribe.
Thank you.
We're hiking Monkey Rock.
Yeah, to
Monkey Rock Trail.
Yep,
What did y'all find? Rowdy ponies! We're having a try. Oh, it's gone. Okay. It's like, oh, it's right there. And like
All right, y'all remember we go up these rock steps here.
Dad's these stairs
Way
on
back.
stairs.
Decide if we're going to do grotto or not.
You want to go, buddy? You want?
This is so pretty. Dang!
It's a big old rock, huh?
That one and that one. And we jump.
Whoa.
Now there's actual stairs.
No, Beckett. Mountain goat. Yeah.
Oh, why please?
Virginia creeper.
There's a lot of white police away. There's a...
Guadalupe bass. The cool waters of the river hold a unique resident, the Guadalupe bass. These fish thrive in clear, fast-moving waterways of the hill country. Because of that, they are true Texans and don't live anywhere else. Good job, buddy.
Frost feed.
Here's some stairs. White police. Which way? That way or that way? White police.
1 hour hike's gonna take 3 hours.
Yeah. Ball moss.
White police. I love white.
Roly polies. Come on. American sycamore. These towering giants are easily identified.
I need a break. I need a...
Get your butt up. Let's
A white police.
Steady.
It went across. Go. There you go.
That way or that way?
Keep going. Oh, there's grass my shoulder. Yeah.
To what?
Dogs.
Fog where?
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, there's a little frog.
I do. Oh! I think got out of the water and they got out of water.
Get up, get up. I'm sitting there.
We're lost forever.
Hey? Wait, I gotta do it this way.
Keep going.
Where? What snake? Did I throw it in the water?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I did. Wait, this is spider.
We were on Maple. Now we're on East.
Can I hold your hand?
Yes. Oh.
Oh my god. There's no monkeys.
No monkeys.
Then why are they calling the monkey trail?
Go, go.
Don't run.
Walk.
At the end we maybe see monkeys.
Make it. You gotta stay in front. I don't think it's gonna go very far. We'll see what
It's so pretty.
Oh,
Which way do we go?
I think it's just this whole thing right now.
Oh, that's why it's called Monkey Walk. Oh,
It looks just like Beckett.
Like they put rocks in the mouth for teeth. Let's go with
Now see what did it say? The water seeps out.
Yeah.
See how it looks wet and all the stuff's growing right there?
Yeah, this is
Can the
the
camera?
monkey rock. It says, look for the plants growing on the cliff walls supported by water that seeps from underground.
Oh, don't video me. I'm gonna make a bad throw now.
Just pretend I'm not.
Oh, too high. No, not too high.
Dad made it!
That was a
And
different rock. I knocked it out.
Val, you good throw, you guys.
Go.
Hey guys, that's pretty much it for this hike. After we leave the Monkey Rock, we just turn around and head back to the truck. We did notice a couple of things on the way back that I'll show y'all, but other than that, enjoy the time lapse. Thank y'all for watching.
one last
Look at that birdhouse.
There's a sign.
Look how pretty this is. Oh, that's so cool. I can't believe I walked past that.
I know, how dare you?
What is it?
The Heart Rock.